Assalamualaikum everyone. Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to today's lesson. This is your teacher, Mehbana Nasir, from Fizaya Inter College Manhas, teaching maths to grade 3. Today's topic is 6-digit numbers, place values, and number names. Before going to 6-digit numbers, I want you guys to revise 5-digit numbers and their names. For example, if we have a number 23460 in front of us, that is on your screens also, what you do is you first write place values of all the digits of the number above them, definitely always starting from the ones, from the rightmost digit, and then proceeding stepwise towards left. Then you start naming the number from left, and you name house of thousands collectively, as we have 2 and 3 in house of thousands, so we say it's 23,000. Whereas 4, 6, and 0 in house of ones are said collectively, so we say it's 460. So the number name will be 23,460. Have another example. In front of us, we have a number 40689. Follow the same steps again. Write place values of all the digits of the number above them. Always start from ones. Then start naming the number from the leftmost digit, proceeding stepwise towards right. From the leftmost digit, from the biggest place value. And here we have in house of thousands. House of thousands are the biggest place values in this number. So in house of thousands we have 40, so we say it's 40,000. And in house of ones we have 6, 8, and 9. 6 at hundreds place, so we say it's 600s. 8 at tens place means 80, and 9 at ones place means 9, so it's 689. So the number name will be 40,689. Despite of a 0 at thousands place here, we still join it with a digit at 10,000s place. And why are we doing that? Because house of thousands is always named collectively. We do not omit it, or we do not leave it. Bigger numbers, we have the smallest 5-digit number, whereas our heading is bigger numbers, but the smallest 5-digit numbers, maybe the smallest 5-digit number we have is 10,000. One with 4 zeros, obviously. One, and this one is in 10,000s place, 0 in thousands place, 0 in hundreds place, 0 in tens place, and another 0 in ones place. Now talking about the largest 5-digit number, that is 5 nines, means 99999. 9 at 10,000s place, 9 at thousands place, 9 at hundreds, 9 at tens, and 9 at ones. What happens if we add 1 in the largest 5-digit number? We get this number, which is the smallest 5-digit number, and we call it 100,000. And why are we calling it 100,000? Because whenever we add 1 in the largest 5-digit number, a new column is introduced in the house of thousands. And this new column is called the 100,000, and we represent it by HTH. Now, 6-digit numbers, we have house of ones, 3 digits in house of ones, and 3 digits in house of thousands. Ones, tens, and hundreds make house of ones, and they're always named or said together, as we have 269 here, so we say it is 269. Whereas house of thousands, we have 100,000s, 10,000s, and thousands. They make house of thousands, and they're always said together. We have 4, 5, and 9 in house of thousands, so we say it is 459 thousands, right? So the whole full number name will be 459,269. Look carefully at the place values. Always write the place values at the top of the number to name them, because place values are very important in writing a number or in writing a number name. Whether you want to write a number in figure or write the number in the form of words, in the form of a number name, if you know the place values, then you can name a number very easily. Naming 6-digit number, same as 5-digit number. The difference is only that in house of thousands, we now have an additional column called the hundred thousands. Steps are the same. Write place values of all the digits of the number above them. Definitely always start from ones. Then start naming from the left, keeping in mind that digits in house of thousands are to be named collectively. All the three digits in house of thousands will be named collectively, right? And then in house of ones, they are named collectively as usual, जैसे कि हम पहले करते रहे हैं, ठीक है? But remember, last two digits that are tens and ones, they are always set together. If we have 1 0, 1 at tens place, 0 at ones place, we say it's 10. If we have 1 at tens place, 3 at tens place, 2 at ones place, we say it's 32. We don't say 3 tens, 2 ones, right? We are talking about number names here. They are always set together. If tens place has a 0, then ones place digit is set alone. For example, if we have 0 at tens place and 7 at ones place, so we'll say only 7. We don't say 0, 10, 7 ones. Then if both tens and ones places have 0, then both of them are omitted. Only hundreds is said and written in words. Both tens and zeros are 0. Tens and ones are 0. And on a hundreds place, let's say we have 7. So we'll write 700, just 700 in words. Even if thousands or 10,000s place has a 0, even if thousands or 10,000s place has a 0, it is still combined with a digit at 100,000s, because we are going to name the house of thousands, the digits in house of thousands collectively. That is the rule. You cannot say 700,000s, 2 10,000s, and 0 1,000. No, not like that. All the digits in house of thousands are to be named collectively. Let's name these 6-digit numbers. We have a number 635089 in front of us. Following the steps, write place values of all the digits of the number above them. Always start from ones, definitely. So we now have written the place value of 9 is ones, 0 tens, 0. Why is it 0? 089. Sorry, we have another mistake here. Okay, this was supposed to be 089. I don't know why have I written 109. Okay, 8 will be at tens place, 0 at hundreds place, and so on. Now start naming from the left. Name digits in group of thousands collectively. We have 6, 3, and 5 in group of thousands, so we say it is 635. And house of ones are named collectively. It is 109, so we say it is 109. And combining both, we get the full number name 635,109. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. I have changed the number. There was some mistake in the number name. Okay, the number was 635,109, or we named the house of thousands collectively as 635,000, and house of ones was named collectively as 109. Combining both, we get the number name 635,109. Have another number in front of us, 793,124. Another 6-digit number. Once again, write place values of all the digits of the number above them, starting from ones. We have 7 at 100,000 place, 9 at 10,000 place, 3 at 1,000 place, 1, 2, 4. As we can see in front of us, their place values are also written. Now, start naming from the left. Name digits in house of thousands collectively. 7, 9, and 3 are in house of thousands, so we say it's 793 thousands, right? And then now, so ones we have 1, 2, and 4, so we say it's 124. Combining both, we get the number name of 793,124. That is 793,124. एक और एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं हम. We have a number 531462 in front of us. And this number, once again, we will write the place values of all the digits of the number above them, starting from ones. Definitely हमने देखा 2 के ऊपर हमने 2 की place value ones, 6 is on the place value tens, 4 is at hundreds place, 1 at tens, 3 at 10,000s, and why is it written tens? It has to be thousands, it's not tens. 1 is at thousands place, 3 at 10,000s, and 5 at 100,000s. Start naming from the left. Name digits in house of thousands collectively. It is 531 in house of thousands, so we say it's 531 thousands. Name digits in house of ones as usual. 462 means 462. We don't say 462 ones. We just say 462. Combining both, we get the number name 531,462. Then is writing number in figures. Till now, we were writing 6-digit numbers with their names. Now, what if we are given number names and we have to write the number in figures? Have a look at this thing with the help of an example. We have a number 165,301. 165,301. First step, write the place values at the top. जहाँ पर भी आपने आंसर लिखना है अपना, सबसे पहले ऊपर प्लेस वैल्यूज लिख लेंगे. उससे क्या होगा कि you would know in which column you have to write what number, what digit. After writing the place values, start reading the name until thousands. Read the name until thousands. We have 165,000. Before 1000 we have a number 165. Now write the respective digits in house of thousands. 165 is written in house of thousands, right? Now read the name till 100 and write the respective digit in hundreds column. After 165,000 we have 300. 300 means in hundreds column we'll write 3. Then and 1. Now read the last part. Last part kya hai? And 1. Write respective digits in tens and ones columns. Tens column में कुछ आएगा? नहीं आएगा. And 1 है. 1 means 1 ones. Now what happens is, remember, if a place value is not mentioned in the number, we must put a 0 in its column while writing the number. If we are not writing 0 in that particular column, the whole number will be wrong. We have written wrong number in figures, right? So you must write 0 in the empty column. Never leave a column empty. If any column has no digit, it means you have to put a 0 in that column. So guys, this was our today's lesson. We studied about 6-digit numbers, their place values, writing number names, and writing numbers in figures. Your homework for today is do question number 8 and 9 on book of page number 31, obviously. This is from your exercise 1, and these 2 questions are to be done on books. In the evening, you will be provided a PDF solution of this for your cross-check of solutions, right? In our next lesson, we will practice expanded form of 6-digit numbers. Thank you so much. I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you guys will give good response. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.